Upgrading your PC? Cloning your old hard disk drive to a faster and quieter solid-state drive is a great way to seamlessly move all your data without reinstalling Windows and programs. In this video, we will show how to easily clone your HDD to an SSD using MultiDrive, free and reliable cloning software. Let's learn how to prepare for cloning first, and then move to the cloning process itself. First, let's download and install a free software we'll be using for cloning. Go to multidrive.io and click download. Wait until the download is complete. Then run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. The installation process takes only a few seconds. Make sure the SSD is compatible with your computer. Most modern computers use SATA SSDs and have SATA slots. Some newer systems support faster NVMe SSDs, which plug into M.2 slots. It's better to check your computer's specifications before cloning to confirm compatibility. Also, check the storage capacity of your SSD. It should be the same as your current HDD or larger. Next, connect the new drive to your PC. If you have a desktop computer with free drive bays, install the SSD alongside your HDD. If you're upgrading a laptop or desktop without a spare drive bay, use a SATA to USB or NVMe to USB adapter to connect the SSD externally. Now we're ready to start cloning. Let's run our free cloning software. Double-click the MultiDrive icon. Then click Clone. On the left, choose your old HDD that you want to clone. On the right, choose your new SSD. Double-check your selections. HDD source on the left, SSD target on the right. It is important because during the cloning process, MultiDrive will overwrite all data on your target SSD, replacing it with the content of your source HDD. Once you're sure everything is correct, click Clone. Here on the Stats panel, MultiDrive shows how long cloning will take. It depends on the size of your HDD and the speed of both the source and target drives. If you need, for example, to turn off your computer before cloning is complete, you can pause the process at any time and then resume it later from the dashboard. Let's jump forward to the moment when the cloning process is complete. Now turn off the computer. Remove the old HDD and install the SSD in its place. If you have free drive bays, install the SSD alongside your HDD. Restart your computer and press F2, F12, or delete to enter the BIOS. Set the SSD as the primary boot drive and save the changes. Your computer will now boot from the SSD. Congratulations, you've successfully moved everything, including Windows and apps from the HDD to the SSD without reinstalling.